Dear viewers, today we are going to talk about a concept called momentum, which comes in our ninth standard. Here we have four balls, four spherical balls. One, two, three. So you can see here. So I have hit this ball with little more speed. So our brother has hit the ball with less speed here. So what you can say here, the ball which goes at a little more speed compared to other ball here will have more amount of motion. So amount of motion present in a body depends on how fastly the ball is going or how fastly the object is going. Here we have a plastic ball whose mass is very less compared to our snooker ball here. 2, 3. You can see here, the ball that I have hit here using very less speed made that ball, next ball, to go very far away distance here. Whereas the plastic ball, which went so fast here, hit the ball, but the ball went little distance here, right? So what can I say about this one here? So which ball possesses more amount of motion? Does our plastic ball or the red ball? Red ball. How do you say the red ball has possessed more amount of motion? So it creates more impact on the another ball here. Even though the plastic ball went with great speed, it has done less impact on the next ball. So we can say whenever two things are going here, we can't simply say the one which is going fast at faster rate will always possess more amount of motion. We can't say like that, right? So we have to take the account of mass of the object side. So here the amount of motion present in a body will be determined by two physical quantities. One is mass, other one is velocity or speed, right? So even though the ball is going at fast rate, we can't say it has more amount of motion. So even though the ball is going at less rate here, we can't say that ball has less amount of motion. It all depends on the how much amount of mass and velocity that they have, right? ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? 1, 2, 3. So you can see here, so this plastic ball and the red ball almost went with same speed here, but this ball could not bring much impact on this red ball here, whereas this red ball made the red ball, another red ball, to go so much distance, and this ball is at the position of the front ball here. So we can say here the ball or the body which has more amount of mass in it, so that will bring the more impact on the another object here. The amount of impact will be decided by the mass of the object here. So earlier we have seen that the one which has more speed will bring the more impact when the masses are same here. Now what we have done here, when the speeds are same but masses are different here, so in this case which one brings more impact here? Mass which has more mass will bring the more impact. Therefore the amount of impact that a body can create on the another body will be decided by both mass as well as the velocity. So this physical quantity which is determined by both the mass and the velocity is what we call momentum. ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು momentum ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, right? ಇನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂವೇಗ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಸಂವೇಗ. So qualitatively momentum can be called as amount of motion of a body. Quantitatively momentum of a body is nothing but the product of mass and velocity. As momentum depends on both physical quantities, mass and velocity, it is product of mass and velocity, right? As velocity is a vector quantity, momentum should also be a vector quantity, right? So ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.